At INITS, we've been supporting biotech and pharma innovators for over 12 years. We are a team of 30 experts and we cover all the challenges related to pharmaceutical development, including CMC, regulatory, clinical supply, and of course, quality assurance. One question we hear again and again is this: shall we invest in our own production capabilities or shall we subcontract? It's a real dilemma, especially for biotech companies who want to keep the control of the process. So in early 2020, we started thinking differently. What if these biotech companies were able to produce their own GMP batches, but in a regulated and controlled environment? That's how the idea of INITS SMO was born.
Our model consists of providing R&D and GMP capabilities to our client, so they can produce their own drug substance batches. Of course, this provision is accompanied by INITS team's total supervision of the operation carried out to ensure regulatory compliance and the success of the project. Moreover, our fully integrated model covers all pharmaceutical operations from raw material supply to drug product release. To do so, our team will handle fill and finish operations, packaging, and product release activities, offering to our client a complete end-to-end support.
And now, if you wonder where and when, our brand new facility is under construction and will be opening soon. The site is located near Montpellier and we will be ready to welcome you in April 2026. Until then, our consulting team is ready to support you in your pharmaceutical development journey.